In this tutorial, guys, I would like to show you what does it mean HTML, and I will teach you everything what you need to know about HTML, and after that we can continue CSS, JavaScript and other languages, okay? But the main point is that you need to know what HTML is. That's the beginning, that's the start, okay? So I have a website here, and we would like to create a website like this. This website is a combination of HTML and CSS. What does it mean? HTML is a structure of this website. HTML is what is on the website. For example, you can see a picture here, some buttons, some heading, some paragraph, and so on and so on. And this is HTML. After that, you have a CSS. CSS means it's a design. So it means that if you want to say, okay, this button will be blue, this button will be white, it means it's CSS, okay? So if you see, for example, these two pictures next to another, so it means that you say in CSS, or you say in HTML, here will be picture, here will be picture, and the CSS take these pictures and put them one to next to another, okay? So you have lots of examples here. So this website is combination of HTML and CSS, and I would like to show you one important thing or interesting. So I would like to go here. You don't have to do this, okay? It isn't important now, it's only for fun. I would like to use this option here, the last option, when you click, when you use the right mouse button and you click the last option. So it's a developer console, and you can see HTML here and CSS here. So and I would like to show you if I would find CSS, okay, like this, and I would like to, oh, here we have a CSS. So now I would like to, guys, I would like to delete CSS, okay? So delete element, delete element, and the last delete element. So what can you see here is the website without CSS. So it's only HTML, okay? So what does it mean? It means that HTML means that this, for example, is a paragraph. This is a link. This is a picture. This is a heading. We have buttons here. We have some links here. Again, we have an image here, image, heading, some link, paragraph, heading, image, and so on and so on. Okay, so this is the website without CSS, and you can see what is the main power of CSS. So HTML is what you want to need, or what you want to have on your website, and CSS is the design. So if I will refresh, it will take it back. Okay, I will refresh it, and you can see that the HTML without CSS, it looks terrible, correct? So but now in this tutorial we will speak only about HTML, and in the next tutorial we will speak about CSS, okay? So let's go and we will dive deep into the HTML language.